Hey everybody, I made it to Virginia. I'm about 20 miles north of Roanoke, Virginia. Virginia is for lovers. So, you know what's coming up? We gotta have this beautiful little sticker here. We'll have to put that on the map. So, we got actually Virginia going. That way. That's good. There you go. Here's Virginia. We're staying overnight here. Beautiful spot. Weather is awesome. It's only about 72. Tonight's gonna be like 45. 45, yeah. Very cool. Thanks for watching. And here's Mr. Bruno. He's enjoying the grass.